regarding what is happening all over Goa now, PDAs. In Kalangut, we want to object to this politics of arrogance of our MLA. तुम्ही जाणा PDA सारख्या गोंयांत लोक बोबाड मारता PDA नाका म्हणून. Kalangut constituency also, the latest example was in Parra some days back. Meeting was called by the Sarpanch to decide whether PDA should be there for Parra or not. Now in that meeting the MLA also came, his wife with the Sarpanch came. When the people objected, so सांगता PDA आम्ही केली म्हणून. तुम्ही कितेंय बोबाड मारा, आम्ही PDA करतले. Now when you call a meeting to decide whether people of the village want a PDA or not, तू येता सांगता ना आम्ही PDA केली तुम्ही जायन करू. Kandolim, the same story. We had a Gram Sabha, people of Kandolim objected, meeting was suddenly adjourned without any of this. So everywhere in the constituency, the people are against the PDAs and the ODPs, and the MLA and the government is just bulldozing this against the wishes of the people. Now, why, I'm just taking an example of Parra. Why does a small village like Parra need PDA? According to his the video circulated yesterday, where he says, people don't have to worry, I will not increase the FAR. In the same breath, next sentence he says, locals who have built beyond the FAR, their FAR will be increased. Now, can you have two FARs in the same this locality? If you are not going to increase the FAR, how can you increase it for the locals? So it's basically fooling the people of the constituency by saying that na tumche legalize kortele, lokache legalize kortele म्हणून. In Kandolim and Kalangut ODP, which was hurriedly and illegally done by him, which the High Court has struck down. Same thing, people are led to believe that by ODP he will regularize the houses. Not a single house has been regularized. कोणाचेच regularize करूंक ना. On the contrary, NDZ areas पे आहा आणि low-lying fields, Khazanland, तिंगा permission दिला for builders from Delhi and outside Goa to build big structures in Khazanland, in Kandolim. After the High Court struck it down, work is still continuing in these places. I charge that money has exchanged hands, and he wants to regularize these structures for which he has taken money, and that is why he is busy with his ODPs and PDAs. Now, his own minister, forget me charging, his own minister, the urban development minister, says that there is no rule of law in Kalangut, and I agree with him. If you see the fields start from his constituency of Parra, everywhere land filling has been done, illegal structures have come, and it appears that there is nobody to question them. And there are some locals for which we have got no objection. Most of them are outsiders, not even voters of the village. This is what he wants to regularize by doing these PDAs. This is gross illegality, gross abuse of power, and utter arrogance of this MLA. Now, from the time he has been elected, 6-7 years ago, he's been promising the people that your houses will be regularized. आपण येयलेल्याक सांगता तो CR-Zan घरां regularize करता. आयज पासून कोणाची करूंक ना. Now he says he needs PDA and ODP to regularize these houses. Now government has come out with another scheme where they have taken applications. लोकांचे applications गेले from in the revenue department by the collectors to regularize the houses. So in other villages, if these houses can be regularized without PDA, why for this constituency you need PDA? So basically it is only for the builders. People are not going to benefit in any way. We had done, at least Kandolim Kalangut had done a regional plan with a massive exercise. He is a draftsman. They have been sitting down, the people have sat down and done extensive exercise. Now this ODP is totally against that regional plan. What was shown as NDZ in the regional plan is now shown as settlement area. What was shown as Khazanland in the in the regional plan is shown as fields, and they're converting left, right, and center. The whole village is going to go to the outsiders, the builders lobby from Delhi and outside, and it's going to destroy the whole piece of Goa in our village. So we warn the government, we warn the MLA that we will come on the roads if need be. Definitely we will take legal recourse, but if need be, the people of Kalangut constituency will come on the road. My colleague Agnello will explain to you what else is done in the NDZ area.
Development in the in Khazan area, which is coming under CRZ. He has shown in CRZ area road, 25 meters road, entertainment center, parking area, football ground, sewage treatment plant, which cannot come in CRZ area, which is said that no development can take place in this area. Secondly, Kanoi toilets are there. Part of these toilets are built cutting and destroying sand dunes, which is coming under eco-sensitive area and also coming in CRZ area. Third point, NTZ RP 2021 and Dakota, some of this NTZ, no development zone, has changed into settlement zone. These are three of my observations.
There was about 200 people who were attending the Gram Sabha, and everybody objected. Sensing the mood of the people, he winded up the meeting, and we said, put it to vote. He said, I need not put it to vote, it has been already decided that it is final. So he has defied the people of Para, he has heard the sentiments of the Para, he has gone against the sentiments of Para. People of Para against PDA. Nobody wants PDA. It is only the Michael and his wife, who is the Sarpanch of Para, and the members, they want PDA. PDA, you know, Para, everybody knows Para. Para is a scenic village. It's a small village with a population 5,000. Do we need PDA? What will be the population after 10 years? Not even 20% population will increase. Still we need PDA. There is PDA all over the place. In the cities, has anything improved? From bad it has gone worse. With PDA things have improved. Margaon things have improved. From bad it has gone to worse. So in a village like Para, where we have narrow roads, आमच्या रस्ते सारखे बारीक 2 मीटर 3 मीटर इन द वाडोज इफ यू गो टू सी बारीक रस्ते PDA कित्याक जाय म्हाका सांग लोकांची दुर्गा करपाक दे हॅव स्वीपिंग पावर्स PDA has got sweeping powers without asking you they can remove your watch एक प्रोजेक्ट येता he has to support that project he'll remove your watch tomorrow तुजी दुर्गा काडटलो कित्याक करतलो they have sweeping power whereas in panchayat things are restricted you have to follow the rules and regulations. You have to take the consent. Here, you see, Kalamut कितें जाला, कांदोळी जाला, लोकांची उडयल्या. Maybe बरें जाला, वायट जाला. थोडे म्हणटा कालांगूट बागा सद्दाला पळय तूं असो जाल्यार पळय. व्हडली बिल्डिंगां येयल्या 5 माळ्यांची 6 माळ्यांची. What planning is doing? Parking आहा तांकां. PDA म्हणल्यार more multi-story buildings, more concrete. हें कोणाक लोकलांक बेनिफीट ना. हे सगळे भायले लोक हांगा पडटले. पयलेच आमच्या लोकलाची व्हॅल्यू गेलो मोर फ्लॅट्स मोर पीपल नॉट लोकल्स मोर गार्बेज ही प्रॉब्लेम स्टार्ट जातली मोर ट्रॅफिक मोर कंजेशन लेस सेफ्टी ही सगळं ओरिजिनल विलेजेस विल बिकम स्ट्रेंजर्स इन देयर ओन विलेजेस मोर वोटर्स नॉट लोकल विल बी एडेड टू द वोटर लिस्ट एंड वोट विल बी डायल्युटेड आतां त्या दिसांनी वन ऑफ द न्यूज पेपर हेराल्ड ऑन विंटर had carried a report Kalangut constituency 9,000 voters जाल्यार सो पयले इतले वोट्स नासले आतां हें PDA जात जाल्यार पाराचे आनी भायले वोट्स वाडटले आनी आमचो व्हॅल्यू कितें लोकल्साचो व्हॅल्यू कितें हे एप्रिहेन्शन्स लोकांच्या मनान कोणाकूच हें PDA नाका कॉन्क्रीट जंगल वाडटा तेन्ना जो तर विले MLA आहलो ही वॉज इन द ऑपोजिशन मागीर पावर रे ताणें PDA डिस्कार्ड केली इमिडिएटली डिस्कार्ड केली तो म्हणालो PDA एक पिडा म्हटल्यार डिस्कार्ड केली लोकांचे ही स्टूड विथ द पीपल लोकांक नाका आहली वो आतां पोतनी पिडा परां हाडूंक सोदता कित्याक इतको ताका अल्टेरियर इंट्रस्ट आहा ताका बिजनस इंट्रस्ट आहा ताका पयशे करपाचो इंट्रस्ट आहा ना लोकांचे पडलेले नाका नाल्यार तो ते दिसा ग्रामसभेक इतल्या लोकांचे ओवर 200 वयर लोक हाडलो आयकोपाक कित्याक रेडी नासलो कित्याक ग्रामसभा अब्रप्टली बंद केली डिसिजन कितें तरी लोकांक जाय वा नाका जाय जाल्यार लोक सांगतले आसले नाका जाल्यार नाका सांगतले बंद कित्याक सेन्सिंग द मूड ऑफ द पीपल तेणें ती मिटींग बंद केली. आमकां ही कोणाकूच पिडे नाका, ताका स्विपींग पावर्स आहा, ताका जायते तेजे इंटेन्शन्स आहा. आमची शेतां आहा ती सेटलमेंटान हाडपाक ही सगळी तेजी इंटेन्शन्स आहा. 4,000 square meters, survey number 181/13. It is a paddy field, tenanted paddy field, which has been sold. I don't know how the tenanted paddy field had been allowed to be sold. By mutation, it was transferred in their name. आणि तेजें नांव कोण आहे, मायकलाच्या ड्रायव्हराचें नांव आहा दिनेश लमाणी, आनी कोण राठोड वाल मुलमानी, कोण मल्लप्पा नगप्पा पटेल अशीं नांव आहा. ईश्वर राठोड, अशोक राठोड. ही 4,000 square meters त्यांनी शेत भरूंक दिलां आमच्या पंचायतीन. मायक विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिनेश अँड मायकल लोवर. द मॅन बिहायंड द सीन्स इज मायकल. ही 4,000 square meters ते भरूंक दिलां आनी आतां सध्या पांच घरां येयल्या तिका, धाकटुले रूम येयल्या, स्मॉल स्ट्रक्चर. आनी ह्या कारण हें तो फाल्यां सेटल, हें क्वेश्चन आमच्या वॉर्ड मेंबरान ताका विचारलें, चंदन नार्मलकर. ही रेस्ड हिज वॉयस इन द ग्रामसभा. ही ओपोज्ड इट. तो सांगता ना आपूण रेग्युलरायज करतलो. दॅट्स वाय ही वॉन्ट्स दिस PDA. ही 4,000 square meter तुमी शेतात हाडून ह्या लोकांक घालता, कॉलनी करूंक सोदता. हें कितें चल्लां? यू कॅन हॅव अ कॉपी ऑफ दीस.